Nikola Tesla was a true visionary. He was born in a time of gas lamps and horse-drawn carriages, yet his mind raced far ahead, envisioning a world powered by electricity, a world connected by invisible waves. Tesla wasn't just inventing devices, he was dreaming up the future. Tesla is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current AC electrical system. He worked tirelessly, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to push the boundaries of what was possible. But Tesla's story is about more than just inventions. It's a story about the power of ideas. It's about the importance of imagination and the courage to pursue it, no matter how unconventional. Tesla's life and work remind us that the future belongs to the curious. It belongs to those who dare to dream and those who strive to turn those dreams into reality. His story is an inspiration, urging us to never stop questioning, exploring and pushing the limits of human ingenuity, because within each of us lies the potential to change the world, just as Tesla did. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in the Austrian Empire in what is now Croatia. Even as a child, Tesla possessed an extraordinary mind. He was captivated by science and technology, showing a remarkable ability to understand complex concepts. His passion for engineering, particularly in the field of electricity, was evident from his early years. Tesla's education played a crucial role in shaping his brilliant career. He studied electrical engineering, immersing himself in the world of mathematics, physics, and the emerging field of electrical power. At the Austrian Polytechnic in Graz, he first encountered the Gram dynamo, a direct current generator that sparked his interest in alternating current. Later, at the Charles Ferdinand University in Prague, he furthered his studies, laying the foundation for his groundbreaking work to come. These formative years, filled with intense learning and fueled by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, forged Tesla's path. His dedication to his studies and his natural talent created the perfect environment for his genius to flourish. The seeds of innovation were sown, ready to blossom into world-changing inventions. In the late 19th century, a battle was raging in the world of electricity, the war of currents. On one side stood Thomas Edison, championing direct current, DC electricity. On the other side stood Nikola Tesla, a rising star with a radical idea, alternating current, AC. Edison's DC system, while functional, was limited in its ability to transmit power over long distances. Tesla believed AC was the key to unlocking electricity's true potential. Tesla's AC system, with its ability to transmit power over long distances with minimal loss, proved far superior. His invention of the AC motor, a device capable of converting electrical energy into mechanical energy, revolutionized the use of electricity. The impact was profound. Factories could be built away from water sources, homes could be lit with the flick of a switch, and cities could be illuminated on a grand scale. Tesla's victory in the war of currents paved the way for the electrification of the world as we know it. His AC system became the standard, powering homes, businesses and industries globally. This triumph marked a turning point in history, ushering in the modern electrical age. Section 4. Beyond alternating current. While Tesla is celebrated for his contributions to AC power, his brilliant mind explored a multitude of other scientific frontiers. He delved into the world of high-frequency electricity, experimenting with wireless power transmission and lighting. His inventions, including the Tesla coil, demonstrated the astonishing possibilities of high-frequency currents. Tesla envisioned a future where energy could be transmitted wirelessly across vast distances. He dreamed of a world interconnected by invisible waves, where information and power would be readily available to all. His work laid the groundwork for technologies like radio, television, and wireless communication. Tesla's relentless pursuit of knowledge extended beyond the realm of electricity. He explored areas like robotics, remote control, and even X-rays. His visionary ideas, often decades ahead of their time, continue to inspire scientists and engineers today. Section 5. Tesla's unfinished symphony. Tesla's boundless imagination led him to conceive of grand projects that, unfortunately, remained unrealized. He dreamed of harnessing the Earth's natural energy to provide free, limitless power to the world. His vision of a global wireless communication system capable of transmitting information and even pictures was revolutionary for its time. However, Tesla's ambitious projects often faced significant obstacles. Funding was a constant struggle, as his visionary ideas were often met with skepticism and resistance from investors who couldn't grasp their potential. The sheer scale and complexity of his ideas proved challenging, even for a mind as brilliant as Tesla's. Despite these setbacks, Tesla's unfulfilled dreams serve as a testament to the power of his imagination. They remind us that even the most ambitious visions are worth pursuing, for they push the boundaries of human ingenuity and inspire future generations to reach for the seemingly impossible. Section 6. The Forgotten Genius. Despite his immense contributions to science and technology, Nikola Tesla's life was marked by both triumph and tragedy. While he achieved significant success in his early years, his later life saw him facing considerable challenges. Financial difficulties, coupled with the lack of widespread recognition for his later work, cast a shadow over his final years. Tesla's eccentric personality and unconventional ideas often alienated him from the scientific establishment of his time. His claims, though grounded in scientific principles, were sometimes perceived as outlandish and lacked the experimental evidence to convince skeptics. This led to a gradual decline in his reputation and influence despite the brilliance of his mind. The story of Nikola Tesla is a reminder that brilliance and innovation do not always guarantee recognition or reward during one's lifetime. It highlights the importance of perseverance, even in the face of adversity, and the power of an unwavering belief in one's vision. Section 7. Tesla's Legacy. A world powered by imagination. Nikola Tesla left an indelible mark on the world. His name has become synonymous with innovation, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of scientific advancement. The impact of his work is felt every time we turn on a light, use a wireless device, or marvel at the technological wonders of the modern age. Tesla's legacy extends far beyond his inventions. It serves as a beacon of inspiration for aspiring scientists, engineers, and dreamers around the world. His story reminds us that a single individual, armed with imagination and determination, can indeed change the world. As we navigate an increasingly complex and technology-driven world, Tesla's legacy serves as a guiding light. It encourages us to embrace innovation, to challenge conventional thinking, and to never stop questioning the world around us. For it is through this spirit of curiosity and unwavering pursuit of knowledge that we can hope to unlock the mysteries of the universe and create a brighter future for all humankind.